Okay, Formula 4 and Formula 4 Plus. Now, what are we talking about here? Let's see. Formula 4 is a multivitamin supplement that fills the gap in your daily lives. It's a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, D, B complex, vitamin C, and the complete vitamin E family in there as well. So it goes all the vitamins you think about, minerals, lipids, sterols, and some enzymes as well. Usually for people 12 years and older, although some children 8 years old, they also take it if they can swallow the capsule, if they're bigger children as well. And it helps to combat stress. It fights general fatigue. It gives energy for digestion because the plant source enzymes in there. Reduces the risk of heart attack with long-term use. It's just an overall multi-purpose supplement because it gives you a little bit of almost everything in there. It fills the gap between what we are eating and what we are supposed to eat. Okay, there are a few other things you can add to this, but it's a basic one. If somebody has a lot of money, this is one you can start them on. Formula 4 Plus, scientists continue to confirm that there's more to nutrition than just classic vitamins and minerals. Now, Formula 4 Plus carries forward a tradition which started with Formula 4, but now this Formula 4 Plus is iron-free, but it's got extra minerals, plus a lot of zinc in as well. It also got 3N, but got more than Formula 4. But okay, why does it matter, this product? It's a broad spectrum supplementation again. Full serving of 3N, a full serving, strengthens the functions of the links in the chains of life, because of lipids, sterols, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. It's for the body's digestion, for synthesis of protein, and for utilization of carbohydrates for energy. So I remember when I started off, this is one of the first products I used, the plain Formula 4. And that made a big difference to my health already. Now this Formula 4 Plus, no iron, because some people have got enough iron in the diet already. Some people actually cannot take iron supplements. Hemochromatosis, thalassemia, those people that cannot take it. Okay, so they can take Formula 4 Plus. And it's supplied in take anywhere packets, and it's preservative free. It uses selenium and chromium, which is actually important because it's not in a food anymore. And it's got 3N benefits, more than the normal Formula 4. So it's got all the grain concentrates plus all the minerals and all those things as well. So it is more than just a multivitamin. It's got vitamins and minerals, which you normally find in multivitamins, but it's got proteins and lipids and sterols as well. Formula 4 versus Formula 4 Plus. Now, what's the difference between the two? Now, if you look at it carefully, what is the difference? So I just see somebody wrote on the screen. Okay. Now, Formula 4 Plus and Formula 4. What are the key differences? Let's check the key differences between the two. Formula 4, original whole food multi-nutrient with 3N. But then Formula 4 Plus came along, same base, same idea, but got more 3N and extra minerals. Iron, Formula 4 contains iron, because some people need iron, like sportsmen for example, and younger people. But Formula 4 Plus is iron free, because some people cannot take in extra iron, or they get already enough iron from the food or from other supplements. It goes 3N, but Formula 4, it's got 3N, but Formula 4 Plus has got 50% more, a complete serving. The mineral profile Formula 4 obviously got vitamins and minerals, but Formula 4 Plus has got selenium, chromium, molybdenum, and more zinc in as well. So it's a broader spectrum in terms of minerals. So how do you choose between the two? You choose Formula 4 when iron supplementation is desirable, when you do need iron supplements, okay? Then you choose Formula 4. Okay. Formula 4 Plus This is when you want the benefits of a multivitamin, but without the iron. But like I said, either something like hemochromatosis, or you get enough iron from other sources already. Or you want more TNN. Okay, this is ideal for men, postmenopausal women, or those with adequate iron intake. Both share Eula's multi-factor formula, the vitamins, minerals, etc. So it's very good. Okay, so both of them will give you energy and fill the gap.